Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. As a repair shop owner, let me ask you a quick question. Are you struggling to grow your car count back to what it was before things started happening? Or you're just trying to grow your repair shop and you can't figure out where the problem is or what you're missing in order to get that car count that you're looking for? On this video, I'm going to explain it all to you, show you a simple way to get it all fixed, and I'm even going to use the F word at the end of this video. You want to stick around for that. But right now, all you have to do is buckle up because we're going to get started. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day to watch this video. If you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smack that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So I asked you a quick question. If you're struggling to grow your car count after everyone was closed down and all the craziness that we've been going through, or you're just trying to grow your car count to grow your business. And I told you there's a simple fix. Well, it really is that simple. Look, I speak to repair shop owners virtually every day, and the one thing that surprises me is that they don't have an offer. And any good marketing people will tell you that you've got to have an offer. Here's the problem that I see, and I'm sure you're going to agree with me. Repair shop owners use two types of offers, and both of them are sort of lame. Number one, they discount. Well, that's easy because somebody said, gee, you want to get more business? Why don't you discount your services and give them away? Sounded like a good idea, didn't it? But I got to ask you, how's that working for you? Because you probably started at 10%, then went to 20%, maybe even 30%, and then you found that the only thing that it attracted was the bottom feeders, and you weren't making any money, were you? The second type of offer that I typically see is free services offers. So the free service is, well, the most common one that I see is buy an oil change, get a tire rotation free, like whoopee. And what's that doing for you? Making any more money doing that? I didn't think so. So what's the fix? The simple fix is this. Generate a kick-butt offer the way I do for my private clients. And it's really simple. What's so important about the kick-butt offer is that, number one, you never ever discount. Secondly, that offer can be used any time of year, winter, spring, summer, or fall. Thirdly, it can be used to promote any special occasions like Mother's Day, Father's Day, 4th of July, Thanksgiving, Black Friday. And you get the point. Any time of year, any occasion, you generate this, you use this offer in order to get more car count, make the money that you know you and your family deserve, and never ever discount. Sound like something you'd be interested in? Well, here's where the F word comes in. Yeah, it's free. You now have an opportunity. Use the link below or the one that's streaming here across this video in order to connect with me and get your own totally free call where I will walk you through and create your kick-butt offer using your prices. I'm never going to tell you to just, let's do a $19 oil change. That's not going to get anywhere. We're going to use your pricing. We're not going to discount anything. And we're going to generate an offer that will put car count in your shop. And I will do this with you one-on-one on a phone call, totally free. And I promise it's totally free. There's no tricks, no gimmicks. I'm not kidding. So how do you get started? You use that link down below. So right now, what I'm going to do is, even though you can visit this on a desktop or a tablet, you can visit this link, I'm going to throw my phone up here and get out of the way, and I'll walk you through it real quick just to show you how quick and easy it really is. So when you click that link, you will arrive at this page for Ask the Car Count Fixer. You can schedule your appointment to have me help you create your kick butt offer. I'm going to say a couple of things here. I am recording this on a Monday, and you'll notice here that Monday is not available. The next day available is a Tuesday, and that's because you cannot use this to book a same-day appointment. All you have to do is pick the day that works for you, scroll down, and pick the time that works for you. Now, I'm showing you this in the Eastern time zone, but these times will display in your local time zone. Pick the time that works for you, click the next button, and you're going to be away to just some basic information. All you have to do here is complete your name, your email, your mobile phone number, click on these questions, and then the next button. You're on your way. The final page will let you add this to your appointment calendar and understand that you're going to get a couple of reminder emails from me. Number one, to confirm that your appointment is good, and you'll also get a reminder a little bit in advance of our call. Now, the one thing I want to say, and I run into this all the time, I understand you may not be answering your phone from area codes that are not in your local market. I'm going to be calling you from a 716 area code. You will get a reminder, and on that call, I'm only going to ask you a couple of questions about your local market and your pricing. Your pricing, not what I think you should do or what somebody else thinks you should do or some fancy guru told you to do this or that. I'm just going to deal with you and your pricing. We'll structure the offer the way you want to do it. I will follow up with an email and give it all to you laid out 100% free. Is that a good deal? So right now, go ahead and follow the link down below this video or the one that's scrolling by here. And then the only other thing you have to do is get ready for that call. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Cow Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day, and I look forward to talking to you. Take care. See you on the next video.